I know you guys love playing games, and I also know that you guys would have played or might be playing many games, but the thing is that you don't get any money for playing games. Don't you worry, my friend, I just brought you a brand new puzzle game that lets you earn more than $500 a month. Here are the proofs. I have redeemed $10 multiple times, and I didn't spend much time playing this game, since I also have other businesses to work with. With little time, I managed to make these many dollars. Then you can make a guess, how much you people can make if you play this game. I would proudly like to quote that, you don't need any investment to begin with, all you need is a mobile phone and an internet connection, that's it, and you are good to go. It is not a game that will make you bored after playing for a few minutes, this game is quite addictive, and you will definitely enjoy it. Without any further delay, let's get started. You are on my mobile's view, open up Play Store and search for an app called Cube Shift 3D, here you will find an early access app, you just need to download this app. If you are a student and you want your pocket money, then this app would be great, this would definitely entertain you and pay you simultaneously. Once you download this app, open it up. This is the starting interface, and here you will find an option called Enter Promo Code. I have a special offer for you all, you just need to enter the promo code as shown in the video, and boom. You get $100,000 cash immediately. Hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Let me explain you about this app. This is basically a puzzle game in which you just need to swipe the screen and collect all the diamonds available. On the top, you can see a chest, which will let you earn, once for every 3 levels. For every 3 levels, you can open that chest, and an ad will appear. Once you close the ad, you will be set to collect the cash. It ranges from 1,000 to 10,000 cash, for every chest you open. Let me give you a spoiler, the puzzles are repeated again and again. Probably there are 20 to 30 puzzles, they get repeated each time you complete the cycle. Once you start playing, you will get used to it and you won't find it difficult to continue. By playing this again and again and opening the chest again and again, I managed to earn more than $40 in less than a week. Let me tell you about the payout system. Once you complete 1 million cash, you can cash out from this app, you can use PayPal or Payer. You get $5 for 1 million cash, whereas if you earn 1.5 million cash, then you can cash out $10, and finally, if you earn 2 million cash, then you can cash out for $20. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. If it did, then don't forget to like this video, comment your country below and do subscribe to never miss a video. If you want to earn more, click on this video. Till then, earn and rejoice.